Greetings everyone, Soulfin Dancer 90 back at it again with another reaction. So, tomorrow you get back into the Kamen Rider transformation, and then Ultraman after that. This time, however, I'm trying to look at a TFS parody, Make a Man Out of You. Apparently this is based on the training montage between episode 5 and episode 6 of the Dragonball abridged parody. So, let's see what happens. I'm interested in seeing this. I haven't seen this before. Pretty good, pretty good.
Let's get down to business.
Oh my gosh, they're actually singing it.
To control the world.
Oh boy.
But I don't think I'm ready.
Shut up, you nerd.
Well then.
The saddest runt I've ever met. But you can bet before we're through. Gohan, I'll make a man out of you.
But I'm only 4.
But I'm only 4. Dodge! Jeez.
Raise your hands to the sky.
Oh.
To collect the key.
Oh, so when they said in the main show, then you can really learn the how can the spirit bomb on screen, they decided to put it in here, huh?
Hey, I think I've got it. Ooh, look up, monkey.
Jeez.
You're a spineless, pale, pathetic lot, and you haven't got a clue. Somehow I'll make a man out of you.
I'm scared.
Oh my god, this is worse than death. Hope Toriyama doesn't screw me.
Man, I really hope Tien will be okay.
Yay!
Hey!
What's wrong? Maggot's out of breath? I don't want to die a virgin.
Uh-oh.
I really need to watch just what you say. Ow!
Jeez.
Must be swift as a coursing river. All the force of a great typhoon.
Oops.
With all the strength of a raging fire. Mysterious as the dark side of the moon.
You blew that up, Mr. Piccolo.
I know.
Time is racing
Just, you blew that, Miss Pickle. I know.
forward until
Oh god, Nappa's singing voice.
arrive.
Shut the hell up, Nappa! And you might survive!
Willie!
Vegeta, are we there yet?
No, Nappa, no, we're not!
How about now?
No, goddamn! It Nappa!
Well then. I feel like that's gonna become his trademark. No goddamn it Nappa. I feel like that's gonna become his trademark saying against Nappa in the next 3 episodes. Maybe 2.
You must be swift as a coursing river, with all the force of a great
Dang, even Yajirobe's fighting a bit. Probably bribed him with food.
Raging fire, mysterious as the dark side of the moon.
Jesus.
I must be swift as a coursing river, with all the force of a great typhoon, with all the strength of a raging fire, mysterious as the dark side of the moon. Hey, King Kai, I did it! Nice.
Just awesome. Oh man, that was awesome. Oh my gosh, I just paired King Kai. Yeah, that was an amazing piece of work. Like the way their notes and words worked with the theme and the tone and the music and everything. It was amazing. I love how well they did it compared to the Mulan one. Oh boy. And no one is a parody. They do some amazing parodies here. Anyway, you guys take care. I'll see you again later. I'll see you in the next video too. Bye.